Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do you get rid of a cough in 5 minutes? Cough hacks. How to find relief. Drink lots of water. Water washes down the mucus in your throat and makes your cough more productive. Perform breathing exercises. Increase your fluid intake. Flush your nose with water. Honey. Invest in a humidifier. Get rid of that cough by breathing clean, fresh air. Does drinking Coke help with cough? Stay away from caffeine and soft drinks. Caffeine and sodas are very dehydrating and are not good for coughs. Aside from the fact that these are acidic, which makes them a foe to dry throats, these can cause too much irritation and itch that could trigger coughs. What does it mean when I can't stop coughing? The most common causes of chronic cough are postnasal drip, asthma, and gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. These 3 causes are responsible for up to 90% of all cases of chronic cough. Less common causes include infections, medications, and chronic lung diseases. What is a COVID cough like? Believe it or not, COVID coughs do have qualities that set them apart from an average cough. Dry cough. It sounds like someone's hacking up a lung. It carries a consistent, rough tone because it doesn't contain mucus. Persistent cough. It's a painful loop. Can ginger cure cough? Ginger. Ginger may ease a dry or asthmatic cough, as it has anti-inflammatory properties. It may also relieve nausea and pain. One study suggests that some anti-inflammatory compounds in ginger can relax membranes in the airways, which could reduce coughing.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.